This problem is for white to make a ko, and it's very straightforward. Just play this move, and you have the correct answer. But of course, you need to understand why white must play this, because black's eye space is very big here. Black can probably make 3 real eyes. So that is why white can't really reduce black's eye space. And the key move is to play on the outside, like this. Now can black avoid the ko and make a living shape? Not really. Because with number 1's help, white can now try to destroy black's real eyes. And eventually, black must play through the ko. And white even has a local ko threat in this connection move. Even after white connects, black still needs to play inside, and this ko will be captured by white, like this. So overall, this is a very simple problem for me to present, but there are some other variations in there that you can try on your own. Knowing that the result is a ko is not terribly exciting for this problem, but oftentimes I think the takeaway is to just play the Atari on the outside and start a ko this way. It's the easiest and the fastest way to start a ko in problems and in real games. And in real games, when you don't have enough time to calculate, playing the Atari at number 1 can be a very effective move. Thank you for watching.